how to find problem for startup idea for which people are willing to pay. You need to find an acute problem. And in this video, we will discover what is acute problem and how to find it. Acute means that this problem needs to be solved right now. It is hurting, it is costing money, it is costing time, it's urgent, people want it fixed today, not like next month. And people have found a workaround for it, and there is kind of role exists for it. So if you have found a acute problem, then people will pay for it. Now, these four steps which I have mentioned, that is it hurting, is it costing money, your boss is asking for it, and people are willing to pay for it, is the key to find the element. Now, let me tell you an example story. Suppose you are in a restaurant and you are waiting on the table, and you notice that the restaurant manager is being annoyed because his phone is continuously ringing. There are lots of WhatsApp messages. People are ordering through WhatsApp. There are some missed calls, and he has a lot of burden at the moment. You notice all this, and you understand that it is hurting the restaurant. They are coping to fulfill the order, and they are managing it using manual methods. So it is hard for them to track on WhatsApp that which where though what kind of orders have they fulfilled and what are missing, and it is also costing them time to manage this, and their satisfaction is also decreasing. So you came up with a startup idea that okay, let's talk to this manager. So you talk to them and you told them that I can fix it, I can automate it for you. You will get automatic replies. There will be a form available. People can fill an order through it. So you are doing all those kind of stuff which making their work easier. And you ask them this question that is it okay that if I deliver it on Thursday, like you want me to deliver it on Thursday or the next 2 days? And they said, okay, yes, we want. And you do it. So they like it. And then you stop it one day just to test. And when it goes off, and you notice that after a day or two, they call you that because they need it. If you are experiencing this thing, that it's mean that you are on the right track because it's happening every day. It's not like a random day issue. And from here, what you can do is that you can talk to few more people, like 4 or 5 people, and ask them the questions I mentioned earlier, the acute, how to find the acute problems, the symptoms of acute problem. So you talk to them, and if they said out of five, maybe three people said, yes, we need this solution, and when can you deliver it? In that case, you are on the right track. So acute problem is a problem for which people are willing to pay. It's hurting them a lot. It's happening every day, and people are willing to pay for it. So that's the problem you should work on in a startup. If you work on this idea, you follow my checklist, then you will have a startup idea for which investors are willing to pay and your customers are willing to pay.